One tool we always keep in our stitching bag is called a stitcher's best friend. You will notice one end is curved and the other looks like a cut needle. This tool has so many different uses. These are our favorites. Use your stitcher's best friend as a laying tool to straighten and untwist your stitches. Laying your stitches is an easy way to improve your stitching and make it neater. Use a stitcher's best friend to even out the tension in your stitches once they are in your canvas. Have a loose tail on the front of your canvas? Use the needle-like end to poke it back through to the back. You can even do this with finished canvases too. Even the most experienced stitchers have to rip out stitches from time to time. This tool makes it so easy.